Here at Carmody Primary School, we acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land, the Bunurong people, on which we stand today and recognize their continuing connection to land, water, and culture. We pay our respect to the elders past, present, and emerging.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every state of birds Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing of birds Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this is my very first Cranbourne East Primary School weekly online assembly for the start of term. I've now returned from 2 weeks holiday in Nepal, but I want to say a really big congratulations to all of our students for the wonderful start that you've made to the term. Also want to say a really big thank you to staff right across the school for the fantastic effort and hard work you put in supporting our students as we return from the school holidays. Well, my first message this week is about ball games in the grounds at recess, at lunchtime, on the way to school, and on the way home from school, at all times while you're in the grounds. As you know, basketball courts, we only have basketball games there, basketballs. On the Agora, which is the open area in front of the library, we only have minor games. Minor games are where we play four square and we use the tennis ball. So we have no other balls, footies, soccer balls, etc. On the basketball courts or the Agora, because as you know, all the footy games, soccer games are played on the oval. If you are moving around the school and you have a footy, basketball, soccer ball, we ask you to carry that ball. Hold on to it as you walk. Please don't bounce it. Please don't kick it or throw it to your friends. We just ask that you carry that ball like you do your bag. All right, thank you, everybody. My last message is, as I said, I was on holiday in a country called Nepal, had a wonderful, wonderful time living with a lot of local people in that country. One day when I was in Kathmandu, the city, I actually went into a bookshop and purchased a book that I'm going to present to the students at the school. It's called Namaste, which is a very, very common greeting in Nepal. I'm going to read you the information about the book. And it's about Nima Sherpa, who lives in Nepal, where the tallest mountains on earth, including Mount Everest, towers above the clouds. Every day on a long walk to school, Nima passes porters, travellers, trekking, and monks on their way to their monastery. After school, she meets her friend Tenzing, an old Tibetan trader, at the marketplace. Whenever Nima sees someone, she brings her hands together, bows her head slightly, and says Namaste. Namaste means the light in me meets the light in you. When you say Namaste, try to see the special spark of light that shines within every person's heart, her mother tells her. In Namaste, in the book, Nima learns that she brightens the day for friends and strangers alike every time she says Namaste. So I'm going to put a little note in the front cover of the book. We'll get the book processed in the library, and you may borrow this at some time and have a read. Wonderful, wonderful book. In fact, it's my favourite book of the week. All right, thank you, everybody. Great to see everybody around the school. really fantastic to connect with everybody again. Take care. Remember those things I always say, read every single day. Wear your helmet, stay safe on the roads. Thank you, everybody. Look forward to seeing you around.
I love my mom because she's very good at cooking. My mom because she loves me. I love my mom because she hugs me good night. My mom makes me happy and I feel happy so much. I love my mom because she protects me.
Hello. So in honour of Mother's Day coming up this weekend, I thought we would have a special Mother's Day joke this week. So who's ready? What do hermit crabs do on Mother's Day? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. All right, time's up. What do hermit crabs do on Mother's Day? They celebrate with their mum. Have a great week, and I hope all of our Cranbourne East Primary School mothers have a fabulous Mother's Day. And to all of our students, make sure you spoil your mum and let her know how special she is. Have a great week, everyone. Bye.
Our SWPBS is that we plug in devices when finished.